Just want to give you a real close-up on these two fabrics. We're releasing these because we're going to talk a little bit about capes tonight, but I just want to get this into the regular fabric group, give you all a little bit of time. This is a Hugo Boss. This is a black cashmere. It has no stretch. It's beautiful. It's the one we had on pre-sale. It's just lovely. It's just an opportunity to get a Hugo Boss piece of fabric. It's not inexpensive. It's $100 a yard, but these capes are like thousands. So it's really, just really beautiful. This is a double-faced wool. Again, just a beautiful piece. It's navies. It's got a little bit of, a little bit of wine in there, but mostly navy. And again, you could do pants out of this and a jacket out of this. It'd be just beautiful. Just very pretty, double-faced wool. You know, your edges, I think you could just cut and leave, but it's just, again, really beautiful. So I wanted you to see the hand and the drape of those. This is a 3. This has got great drape. This is more, the Hugo Boss is more like a coating. Trench coat, fall coat would be really beautiful out of that. All right, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.